restrict the modification of transaction count from outside the class. We have restriction count member or property inside our class, and we need to use it or modify it outside the class. How we can do that? Let's go to starting point in repository type script -vit and check out branch 16. Here is our starting point, and this is our class definition, and we have this public transaction count which we can access it and modify it. If we run this code in our browser, you can see here the transaction count modified to be 100, and modifying this property should be only inside the class through the deposit and withdraw methods or transactions, not outside the class. So we will fix this issue by changing this property to be private, and we will make it as you can notice here, once I changed this property to modify it, I can't access the property. Once I change it to private, the TypeScript raised this error, which property transaction count is private and only accessible within class bank account. So I will add also something that I will press Ctrl Shift R, and I will add, because I want to read the property out of the class, so I will add or write or choose this generate get and set. Okay, and I just need get to be read only property. And as you can see here, if you check the TypeScript error again, you will find cannot assign to transaction account because it's a read only property. So I can read the property, no problem. So I will log out it here. So if I write my count dot transaction count, no problem, but I can't set that value. As you can see here, once I created this method which called accessor method, and this variable now called a backing variable. So we added this underscore to indicate it's private, and to use the name of the method as a property here, and return, I use this keyword, then I return the value stored inside a backing variable. So I will save that and check your console. You will find our bank account members, and here I logged out transaction count. Thank you for watching.